YouTube, this is Jennifer, and today I will be reviewing the Revlon One Step Dryer. As you guys can see, I am new to this, so please bear with me. If I do anything wrong, don't judge me. This will be a non-edited video I'm doing for you guys. I just came out of the shower. My hair's still wet, so I will go ahead and leave my hair dry up a little bit more. I'm not a fan of drying it while my hair is still wet because, in my opinion, I think that's damaging to your hair. So, what? Oh, that's my baby. Okay, baby, give me 1 second. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit, and then once I see, it's dried, I'll come back and I'll style it. Alright, I'll be styling my hair. Let's see how it goes. This is the first time I use it, so let's see. By the way, the only type of editing I will be doing is forwarding it, just to make it faster at the end. So here is a final result. And my opinion is that I love the dryer. The only thing I found was that when I was drying it, my hands were like, it felt like it was burning. It was too hot. I feel like they should include gloves just to protect from the heat, because even when I, for instance, when I do this, when I'm turning it, I still feel like that heat. Like that's why you saw me like I was in shock. And yeah, but overall this is pretty good. I feel like I do have the volume I needed, and I'm a fan of flat iron, and I don't even think I need a flat iron with this dryer. So from a 1 to 10, I give it a 9. Why? I don't give the full 10 just because they should include gloves. But other than that, my hair feels soft, it feels healthy, it's easy, and yeah, I would recommend this. So Revlon, you did a great job. Mwah.